to Dreaming English, where we're going to be teaching English in a natural way with hand gestures, stories, facial expressions, no boring grammar, and other things too. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make chocolate chip caramel cookies. And today we have a special guest, Mr. Miles. So we're going to be making some cookies today. Oh, we need to get a bowl. Well, who knew? Okay. Who knew? Magic. So we're going to start.
The bowl's not dry.
What does it even matter?
It does so that cookies are not soggy.
They're going to be soggy either way, Miles.
What are you going to use to dry it?
A paper towel.
A paper towel. Talk slow. Okay. So. Oh, I missed it. Okay, so let's start by setting the oven. You want to put it on bake. And put 375 degrees in between 400 and 350.
Yeah. That's 370.
See, here's an oven. Like literally, and not a picture. The actual oven is right here.
Yeah. And 375 degrees, if you don't know what numbers are.
And here's a number. So, now we're going to be mixing the sugars. So, we're going to need measuring stuff. We're going to need 1/2 cup of sugar. Granulated sugar, normal sugar. Oh, that worked.
Okay. Okay, perfect. That's a lot of sugar.
1/2 cup.
1/2 cup. This thing. 1/2 cup.
Yeah,
that's a half cup.
This cup. Yeah.
A half cup. It even says it.
Ooh, oopsies.
It even says half cup.
Yeah,
on
I kind of spilled a little bit of sugar, but that's okay, isn't it? Okay, good. I just saw that. Get back in the camera. Come on, Miles. No more eating sugar. And we're gonna put the sugar in the bowl. Would you do the honors, Miles?
Yes. If you don't know what a bowl is, comment down below.
Alright, now that we're done with that, and Miles has eaten a lot more sugar, so stop that!
God. What was that for?
Yes, I put sugar in his hair. Now, stop! A very long video. So now, let's see here. Put the sugar away.
Okay.
So now, we're gonna put in some brown sugar.
Okay. And if you don't know what brown sugar is, it's this.
It's sugar just mixed with maple syrup.
It's literally this.
It's just brown sugar. That's sugar that's brown because it has maple
And
syrup.
if you want to see it, it's this. And if you want a better view, it's this.
So we want to get some of that darker color. There's.
Please.
I don't think I've ever made a noise like that in my life. Until now. So it has to be packed down. You have to pack it down.
Welcome to
There,
eating sugar.
Welcome to Miles Eating Sugar, the beautiful show where you watch Miles eat sugar and wish that you had your own sugar to eat.
And if you do have your own sugar, just go to your sugar and then gulp it down.
Now we
That's
put
good.
in the brown. Look at that!
Look at it.
It looks like an egg, like someone had a sunny side up this morning.
Punch it.
Miles, eat all this brown sugar. Oh, yeah.
Brown sugar's better than regular sugar.
Because it has maple syrup in it.
Yeah.
Or something mapley. What?
Molasses.
Yes, molasses. Ooh, it smells like, I don't know, what the heck. Food? Okay.
If you don't know what food is, I'm not even gonna show you a picture.
Just shows picture. Wow, here's food.
You're still sugar.
Just doing Irish stuff to mix in. Okay, probably a bad idea. But now we need to mix in el butter.
And if you don't know what butter is, it's what she's holding. And
Yeah.
don't worry, you got me.
You don't. How much butter do? Oh, a third of a cup. Fine. Look at this graph. So right here we have
And
that
right-
mark. I need a knife to cut the butter.
And if you don't know what a knife is, it's this.
Okay, this.
It's that.
Yeah.
What she's holding right there. I'm not gonna show you a picture. She held it out loud. It's that side. Wrong side. Wrong side.
Wow.
Cat. It's the. I'm just kidding now.
Technical difficulties.
Cat.
I did it.
Okay, now time to eat it. Right?
No.
Right?
Okay, not yet. Shortening.
We get short. Whatever that is.
Where's the shortening?
Shortening's
Mom,
this. This is shortening.
You said you take it down.
Shortening.
Mom.
Shortening.
Thank you.
It's right here where my fingers. We need
We need an egg.
If you don't know what it is,
Then this is an egg.
Yeah, this
It
is-
comes from a chicken.
if you don't know what a chicken is,
This is a chicken.
it's
No, this is a chicken.
no. This is a chicken.
No, this is a chicken.
This is laser beam.
This is a chicken. Oh.
Oh my god.
I put an egg. That looks so satisfying. Oh, jeez. I spilled the egg on the cutting board. To deliver this to my mom right now.
Camera.
All right, now we're gonna add the vanilla.
That's a graph, not vanilla.
That's a vanilla.
Okay. And if you don't know what vanilla is,
My
nice
feet
picture of
are
vanilla.
like covered in sugar right now. So we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And if you don't know what teaspoon is, it's this. It even says teaspoon.
Yeah.
Okay? Just be careful. Never mix it up with a table. No, just never use a table.
Want to smell? Yum. Now, would you be so kind to deliver this to my mom? Now, we will take this. Ow.
How did you hurt yourself?
I was trying to take it off, and then it went. Ow!
Oh, that's so satisfying. And here's a picture. Here's a camera. Wait, that's not a camera. That's my hands.
Yeah, sorry.
Here's the camera.
We're not gonna
This
let
is
you
a camera.
join in on
this
our.
person is a camera. So, see a camera.
We're not gonna let you join in on our satisfyingness here. Sorry, but we have to keep this to ourselves. It's just too beautiful.
Do it yourselves.
We gotta get the mixer,
This
Mom.
is DIY. Now make your own satisfying things.
Okay.
Bye. Actually, I'm still here.
Okay then. So we're gonna put in these in the blender.
You need to
That's not a blender.
Move that with the plug-in.
Okay. Everyone, if you don't know what a blender is, I don't know either. So I'm not going to show you a picture. So I'm just kidding.
Whatever this
That
is,
can do anything. Picture of a
that
blender.
is the blender. So I'm gonna